place to park. So we're about, oh shoot, where are we at? What city? Oh well, we're on I-30 East. Can't remember the name of the city, but we're about to stop at the Pilot here at exit 121. Whew, because it's been a long day. And tired. Drove about 9 hours and some change. But I've been up since 2 o'clock. So I got on duty. I've been on duty for 12 hours. And it is 2 p.m. Get a good rest. Get up about midnight and finish the drive. I think I got about 9 hours left on the drive. It's not too bad, not too bad. All right, exit 121. I wonder if it's muted. Oh, I can't hear it because it's muted. Alright, I need to get over one more time to make this turn. Oh, slow it up, buddy. Clicking and clicking and clacking and alright, make a left.
Keep to the left on ER 5. Alcoa moving down. Turn left in 130 feet.
So I gotta swing this wide. So this is a double left turn. Oh, swing this as wide as I can.
After a quarter of a mile, turn right.
Oops. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. I'm struggling to get up this hill. Pilot is on the right. Struggle to get up that little hill. Kind of heavy, man. I'm not listening to you. Where's the truck entrance? Parking situation like up in here. Man, there's one right there, but this truck has to get in and I don't want to hold up everybody, but I might just have to, dude. Oh. Damn, he needs to get in. I can't do that. I guess I can scoot up because there are people back there. You always let people have their patience when they're backing because it's dangerous. But I'm also letting people pull in behind me. Why is this guy backing out of the fuel aisle lane? Come on. Don't back out of the fuel aisle lane. Alright, you're gonna have to fix yourself in a minute, sir. Yes, this is open. Come on, Bessie. Come on. Oh yeah. One hit a quitter. One hit a quitter. Oh, we in there. We in there. Oh. Woo. One hit a quitter. All right, so I'm gonna put both of my brakes on this hill. But yeah, we made it in there. Alrighty, that's it. Oh well, kind of not in a truck right now. It's a little different. It's gonna be a little louder today. Got my little. Let's see what we can do. It is hot. Headed on the way to Houston, Texas. Coming from, right now I just left Temple, but Killeen, Fort Cavazos area, formerly Fort Hood. Going back to my truck, did my 34 at home, or at my house. Saw my friends, had a good time, but I wanted to enjoy myself, so got this little buddy right here. Porsche Cayman 718, 2018. It's so much fun to drive. But I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of miss my Tesla because in this car, well, granted, there's not a lot going on, but there's a lot going on down here with all the buttons, and I'm not used to that. I would have liked it if it's a manual, mainly because for the last, I just love manuals. But my truck is the manual, it's a 10-speed, so you know I kind of got that control. It's a little bit different, but it's still the same. I ain't had no manual in the Tesla, so can't really complain. I can't complain much at all about this car. It was really, really fun. But of course, I'm not even gonna say that. It was just fun. But it was good to like come off the road. You know, I Airbnb out my house. It's not being utilized, so hey, free room for me. And instead of staying in Houston, getting a hotel, or staying in the truck, and Texas is hot. It's only 98, it says right now, but generally speaking, it's been like 107. It's been a hot summer, and nobody wants to stay in the truck. Yeah, the truck has amazing AC, but I don't want to sit in no truck. And one of my closest friends just left Houston, so I know some people there, but I kind of felt good to go home, see some of my friends there, and then work on the house a little bit, get it ready. So that was fun. Nice little 34-hour reset, rent a Porsche, and, you know, enjoy the day. I definitely am gonna try to do this in different cities, because if you think about it, I don't spend much on the road at all. My only costs would be primarily my food. So, you know, unless I get a hotel somewhere, I'm a soldier at heart still. I don't need much. I'm used to sleeping out, you know, in the woods, in a sleeping bag with no amenities. And then you give me a truck with AC, my own fridge, a microwave, I got my Wi-Fi. Like, that's heaven right there for me. So sleeping in a truck has been fine. I don't need to get a, people are like, oh, you should get a hotel once a week. For what? That's like wasting money, when I can just, you know, spend money on things that I want to do, have fun. I have a couple different cars that I want to, you know, test out, because you never know. I might buy one of these and I'm still gonna stay on the road and, you know, tour it out myself or rent it out, do whatever. I'm not opposed to that. My car is currently in Charlotte doing that. And I don't need a car while I'm out on the road. So why not have something fun to get into when I do come back? And then while I'm gone, it's paying for itself. So it's pretty awesome. But it's gonna be a boring drive, but I will continue it later. All right, tap the gas. It'll burp into the lower gear. Might not do it right now because I take it. There we go. Burp it. Oh, there we go. Yeah.